Travel wise, know before you go. We make sure you travel smarter, from hidden gems to cultural insights. TravelWise gives you the facts, tips, and stories behind destinations. Traveling is exciting, but one mistake can turn your dream trip into a nightmare. Let's go over 10 common travel mistakes you need to avoid. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could save you hundreds of dollars. Mistake 1. Overpacking. Mistake number 1. Overpacking. We get it, you want options, but dragging around a suitcase that weighs more than you do, not fun. Stick to the essentials and pack smart. Mistake 2. Not checking visa requirements. You arrive at the airport, only to be told you can't board your flight because you don't have the right visa. Always double-check entry requirements before booking. Mistake 3. Ignoring foreign currency fees. Don't let sneaky currency fees eat into your travel budget. Use travel-friendly credit cards or withdraw larger amounts to minimize transaction fees. Mistake 4. Booking flights without checking layovers. A layover might save you money, but a 45-minute connection across a massive airport? You're setting yourself up for failure. Always check layover times carefully. Mistake 5. Not buying travel insurance. You might think nothing will go wrong, but accidents happen. Travel insurance could save you thousands in case of emergencies. Mistake 6. Not downloading offline maps. No Wi-Fi, no data, and no idea where you are. Download Google Maps offline before you go so you're never stranded. Mistake 7. Falling for tourist scams. From overpriced taxis to fake tour guides, tourist scams are everywhere. Always research common scams in your destination before traveling. Mistake 8. Not checking local weather. That tropical paradise? Turns out it's monsoon season. Always check the weather forecast so you can pack accordingly. Mistake 9. Drinking tap water where it's unsafe. Not all tap water is safe to drink. If you're unsure, stick to bottled water to avoid ruining your trip with stomach issues. Mistake 10. Exchanging money at the airport. Airport exchange booths offer the worst rates. Use ATMs or exchange money in the city for better deals. Avoid these mistakes, and your travels will be smooth sailing. And as promised, here's a bonus tip. Sign up for flight deal alerts. Sometimes you can snag tickets at half the price. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your worst travel mistake.